up, guys? I know it's been a couple of months. I've just been really slacking on the uploading lately, but I've just been taking care of a couple of things in my life, such as school and just some other things. But I'm really happy to be uploading this video. Just on a couple recent pickups. It's not going to be too long, but these are just some things that I've been enjoying recently. Hopefully you like them. But again, yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll be uploading a lot more, but obviously right now school is my top priority. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah, getting right into the first pickup. This is the Air Jordan 1 Neutral Gray. I'm sure a lot of you are not a stranger to the shoe. This is not really a colorway that's like super rare or anything, but it's a colorway that I thought that was really clean and just a classic look. Pretty much goes with anything you wear, so yeah, I had to pick these up. This next pickup is the Margiela multi-wear hoodie. It's definitely one of the more unique pieces that I picked up recently. It's obviously just a hoodie, but the right side is fully detachable. You can zip it up, zip it down, do whatever. But yeah, it just gives it that unique look. It's a very oversized hoodie. This is actually an extra small, but you'll see that it's also very cropped. But yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite hoodies, probably my favorite pickup of the year.